So today I'm about to show you how to set a background image in Google Sheets step by step. This is perfect if you want to customize your sheets, make dashboards look cleaner, or add visual design to your spreadsheets. I'll walk you through a simple method that works smoothly and looks professional. Alright, let's get started. So first, open a blank page in Google Docs. From here, you'll see a couple of tabs at the top. Click on Insert, then select Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Now, select the image you want to use as your background. Once the image is inserted, right-click on the image and click Image Options. From the side panel, go to Adjustments, then look for Opacity. Lower the opacity to around 40% so your text will still be visible. After that, click the image again, then press Copy. Now, head over to your Google Sheet. From the top tabs, click Insert, then select Drawing. From your keyboard, press Ctrl and V to paste the image. You can now resize the image to fit your sheet like a background. Once you're happy with the size, click Save. Another option you can use is clicking Insert, then Image, and selecting Insert Image in Cell. Click Browse, then choose your image from your computer. And that's it. Your background image is now set on your sheet. And that's it. That's how you add background image in Google Sheets step by step. This makes your spreadsheets look cleaner, more visual, and more professional. If this helped you out, please do like the video, subscribe for more easy tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.